Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon. I am the founder of Oso Curly Hair Tools and Accessories business, and I also teach all things small business here on my YouTube channel. Today is part 2 of my relaunching my small business vlog, and in today's episode I'm going to be sharing some footage of a past content day I did just a few weeks ago as I was fabric shopping and also meeting with a business who helps people start up their clothing businesses, so they're good with fabrics and suppliers abroad. So I wanted to meet with them and just kind of pick their brains and see if they can help me in any way. Most of the footage from that day is just going to be used for reels, for TikToks and for future content. So if I need to make reels in the behind the scenes process of my business, or just extra content to just have, like if you are a business owner, I really recommend you just record your whole journey, because I wish I had done that in the beginning, but hey, we are here now and I can only focus on the present. So this is something that I will be doing throughout my process. So I'm going to show you guys some clips from that day, but I also just want to update you all on what I've been getting up to right now within my business journey. As you may know, if you watched episode number 1, if you haven't, make sure you go and check it out now. But I was sharing my template of all of the things I need to do to actually start and launch my business. So I've already got started on a few of the things. So something really exciting that is happening at the moment is I'm working with a design company. They're going to recreate my packaging for both retail and also e-commerce. So we're going to upgrade our packaging, and I'm really excited to see the process for that. So I've already made the first payment, so they're going to get started on a proposal and send that to me within the next few days. So I might share that with you guys and share the process of that. They actually are out in Spain, so I might actually go out and actually visit them in person. Why am I saying actually so many times? But yeah, I might go and meet them in person and show you guys that whole, process too. The next thing I've been working on is a brand manual, and this is because I actually needed it for the packaging process, the design process. They asked for a brand manual, so if you don't have one or a brand kit, I recommend you put one together. I found the templates really easily on Canva. I just searched brand board and they have a whole bunch of templates, as you can see, that are really easy to copy, or just if you have the pro version, you can just simply click and edit in your details. So what I've got here is, it says brand manual. It's got my logos, the kids logo, the normal logo. It's got our fonts that we use for our content and for our packaging. It has the colors that we typically use, which I may switch up, but that is what we're currently using. And then here is a mood board of kind of what the branding looks like at the moment and how I want packaging to look like. It's like a mood board just to share with them so that they know the vibe of the brand and where I'm trying to go. So that's really exciting. It's something that I've been working on. Along with that, I've also been putting together a cohort. So this is going to be a cohort of people that want to help Oso Curly grow. So this is going to be an exclusive group of people that are interested in curly hair, interested in the brand, interested in being a part and getting exclusive offers from us as a brand. And what happens if you actually get selected after applying to be a part of the cohort, you'll stay with us for a whole year, and throughout that year you'll get access to a private Instagram page where I will do private lives, I'll do private posts with you guys, and you will actually have a say-so in the business. So everything that's happening, all the new updates, new products in development, go to you guys first, and you actually help me within that process. We did used to have a brand ambassador program, so that is kind of like, this is a level up from the brand ambassador program, and it's something where you guys will also gain products too. So I just thought this would be a good way for me to build a community up again with people that are really invested in Oso Curly and want to see us win. So if you are interested in that, of course I'll leave the link in the description box when it is live, and in any future vlogs I'll also mention it too. So obviously I've had to do like a graphic, so I'm working on the graphic at the moment. I'm not too sure about it right now, but I'm working on different variations, so I'm really excited about that. So those are the things that I've been working on at the moment behind the scenes. So let's just get straight into the footage of the fabric shopping and content creation day. Hey guys, so today I am in Shoreditch it is going to be a fabric / content day. So basically I have got someone to film me. Well, that someone is Lauren, and she's going to be filming me while I source some fabric. It's mainly for like B-roll for Instagram content and stuff. I do have a meeting afterwards, which is a real meeting, and that's with a clothing manufacturer. So I'm going to speak with them about sourcing fabric abroad, so it's a bit more affordable. But for today, I just wanted some like footage, maybe even some pictures of me sourcing fabric so that I have content for Instagram and for YouTube. So I'm going to vlog today as much as I can and take you guys along with me. So I have all of my stuff in the car. I'm a bit of an anxious driver, so I said let me get here way before time. So it's 11:27, I'm meeting at 12, but I have my fabric samples here. I have water and stuff. I might grab a Starbucks. I've got my jackets here. I'm gonna swap jackets for different scenes, and then I have a gym bag because I am meeting my friend Ashley for a gym session later on. So yeah, let's get ready and I'll try and bring you guys along with me as much as I can. We are currently walking down East London looking at fabric stores, so Lauren can film. So I'm gonna put in some of the footage now so you guys can see the results, but yeah, it's all coming together nicely. Also guys, your girl's been getting out there. Really proud of myself. I've been to 2 different things so far. So last week I actually went to an event, a Jammy event. Jammy is a platform for Black owned product business owners here in the UK. So I went to their event, which was in collaboration with Klaviyo, and I also did a TikTok about it, so go ahead and check that out on TikTok. And also I met and had brunch with Montel B, who is a YouTuber here on YouTube. I'm pretty sure if you watch me you probably have come across her as well. I really love her. She's such an amazing person on camera and off camera, so really excited to make that connection, and we had a really nice chat. We met at 12 and ended up staying till like 3:30 just talking. So yeah, it went really well. Definitely go ahead and subscribe to her channel if you are not, because you will love the content. That's for me for getting out the house. And I hope this is motivation for you guys as well too. When you are feeling better, I don't want to force anyone because no one could force me when I was going through my downtime, so you can't be forced. But when you do feel the strength to start getting out there, just do it unapologetically and push yourself. You'll probably feel anxious when you actually go and you're on your way, but I promise you, once you're in it, it's never as bad as you think it's gonna be. So that's my little motivational rant for today. So guys, that is it for episode number 2 of my relaunch and my small business vlogs. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Please subscribe as always to follow the journey. I'm so excited for you guys to really see what it's really like to launch a business from scratch. Stay with me, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.